for 45 seconds. If I hit the right arrow key, you see the cursor moves over to the time, and I can change it. If I want 60 seconds, I would type in 060, and now we have 60 seconds. And I hit the Alt key to move the cursor backwards to the selection, and now I can go to the next option. The next option is entry delay 1 time. I would do the same thing here for programming. I'd move the cursor over and then type in the time. And now I'll move back and we'll go to the third option, which is the entry or the exit 2 delay time. Here again it's set for 0, and the exit 2 delay time would normally be used on garage doors or an alternate from your main entry delay zone. The next option is the entry 2 delay time. In this case it's set for 0. If you have like a garage door, you'd set this normally for a longer time than what your main entry door would be. The next option is the auto stay if there is no exit door violated. So this is an option that when you arm the system in the way mode, if you do not go through the exit delay door, it will automatically arm to the stay mode. In this case it's set for no, so this option does not work. We'll go to the next option. During the initial exit delay 1 time, if the zone violates a second time and restores, the exit timer will automatically restart 1 time. That is to say, if the exit 1 door is open, closed, and then opened again, the timer will restart 1 time. Now, you might want to reference on page 26 of the installation manual. There are some other options if this is enabled, which includes let the pet out option and the ability of going from the stay mode to the way mode. So reference the user manual then on page 26 to get more information there. We'll go on to our next option here, which is option 7. In this case we enable or disable a closing ringback, which makes the keypad make a tone whenever we get a kiss off from the central station during a closing transmission. Next option is a single key QuickArm. What that does, it allows the exit or the stay key to arm the system by simply pressing one of the 2 buttons. Before these buttons work upon initial power up, keep in mind that you will have to initially put in a user code before these 2 buttons will start working. On to the next option is a double key QuickArm. In this case you have to press the exit key twice or the stay key twice to arm the system. Next option is the stay key scroll option. What this means is when you press the stay key, if this is turned off, then the armed stay mode will not show up. Likewise, the other modes of this is the next option, which is the stay instant screen, which if this is enabled, then by pressing the stay key it will first go to the arm stay, then arm stay instant, and press it again. We'll go to the next option, the night scroll. So that would be the 3rd press of the stay key. Now anytime we turn this to the no, then by pressing the stay key it will not show that up on the screen as we scroll through. Go to the next option, which is the night instant scroll. So in this case we've turned on all 4 of the modes of the stay key, which is stay, stay instant, night, and night instant. So as we press the stay key, all 4 modes will scroll through. Okay, moving on to the next option. In this case we can the stay change if armed. This option after we've armed up the system, if this is enabled, then we can change the arming mode from stay to stay instant to night instant by simply pressing the stay key after the exit time has expired. And moving on to the next option, and as we did in the user code, we can program the area name by pressing the left arrow key, which will move the cursor down to the first character of the area name, and we'll call this house. So I'll press the 4 key twice, then on lowercase, and I'll move the cursor to the right, and the 6 key twice, we'll get a HO, then move to the right, then the 8 key twice, move to the right, and the 7 key 3 times, move to the right, and the 3 key twice, and we'll hit 0 to enter a space. So now we've changed the name of the area to house, and we hit the L key to jump out of this mode, and puts the cursor back to the item number. And setting these area names, or any of the names in the system, is much easier using the ELK-RP upload download software. So now we've finished the area definitions. I'll hit the ELK key. Now we can move on to another area if we would like, but I'll just hit it again, and that brings us back out to the main menuing in the installer programming mode. Now this ends the installer menus 1 through 3.